So now, suppose I still know sine theta is 0.6, but now suppose theta is in quadrant 2. I'd like to find the values of cosine and tangent. Well, our work here is very, very similar to the last example. We're still going to use that Pythagorean identity where cos theta squared plus sine theta all squared is 1. And we're still going to substitute in the 0.6 for the sine theta. And we're still going to solve and get to this point where cos theta is plus or minus 0.8. But now, since we're in quadrant 2, the cosine, remember the x value, has to be negative in quadrant 2, so our cosine is negative 0.8. So same problem, it's just we use the different sign. We use the negative sign for the cosine function. Again, we know tangent is sine over cosine, so tangent theta is 0.6 divided by negative 0.8, and this time we get negative 3/4. Now, suppose sine theta is negative 0.6. So I'm using the same 0.6, but I made it negative. And I'm in quadrant 3, which I would need to have it and be negative in quadrant 3. And I'd like to find the value of cosine theta and tan theta again. Again, the work is very, 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 very similar. We're going to use that Pythagorean identity. If I know sine, I can find cosine. So I substitute in this time the negative 0.6 in for the sine. So I have cos theta squared plus negative 0.6 squared is 1. Square again, I'm back to positive 0.36. Subtract that from both sides. I end up with cos theta all squared is 0.64. So cos theta again is plus or minus 0.8. But I'm in quadrant 3, and in quadrant 3 everybody's negative except for the tangent. So that tells me that cosine is negative 0.8. Tangent again is sine over cosine. So tangent theta is negative 0.6 divided by negative 0.8, which gives me a positive 3/4, which I expect in quadrant 3. Everything's checking out. I feel pretty good about the work that I've done.